The parrot who wouldn't talk. I have completed half of the lesson. Now I am moving forward. So all of you have to open your page number 85. See the last paragraph. One afternoon, while everyone was indoors enjoying a siesta, I gave the parrot lunch and then deliberately left the cage open. One afternoon, everyone was enjoying siesta. Siesta means taking rest, taking a nap for a while. At that time, the writer, he gave the lunch to the parrot and accidentally he has opened the cage door. And second letter, turn the page. After that, the bird was winging its way to the freedom of the mango orchard. After that, what happened? The bird was winging. Winging means he flew away. He was flying to freedom of the mango orchard. He was flying and he went to the mango orchard garden. At the same time, grandfather came to the veranda and remarked, "I see your aunt's parrot. That parrot has escaped." The grandfather said to the writer, what he saw there? He saw there, your parrot means your aunt's parrot, it flew away and it escaped. Escape means to get free from the cage. Cage means where the parrot lived, its place. It's called cage. Then grandfather said it was escape from the cage. The door was quite loose. I said with a shrug, well, I don't suppose we shall see it again. The door was quite loose, and the writer is telling the door was quite loose, and I said with a shrug. Shrug means moving your shoulders. The writer's shoulder, he was moving up and said it means he don't know. Shrug means he don't know, moving his shrug. Shrug means moving his shoulder. It means he don't know anything. How it was flying. How it was flying. How it flew away. Well, don't know. I don't suppose we shall see it again. And the writer said, I don't know, we will see it again. We will not meet him again. Aunt Ruby was upset at first and threatened to buy another bird. Aunt Ruby was getting nervous. She was sad because she was upset to her because she loved the bird, loved the parrot, that's why. And she threatened. Threatened means gave warning to everyone to buy another bird. And she wants another bird, another parakeet. We put her off by the promising to buy her bowl of goldfish. We put her off. We means her aunt of this family members, grandfather and writer. Everyone was insisting her to, I will promise her, you can buy or we will buy you a goldfish, a bowl of goldfish. But goldfish don't talk. But the goldfish can't talk. Can't speak like a parrot. She protested. She protested means here Aunt Ruby was protesting. The goldfish can't speak. Well, neither did your bird, said grandfather. Grandfather said, well, your bird, that parakeet, did not speak any word. He did not learn how to speak. So, we shall get your gramophone. We shall get your gramophone. You can listen to Clara Club all day. They say she sings like a nightingale. Nightingale is a bird who sings a melodious songs. So all the family members are requesting her. We will buy you a gramophone. You can listen a melodious song, a sweet songs. That was Clara Club. Let us move next paragraph. I thought we would never see the parrot again, but it probably missed its green chilies because a few days later I found the birds sitting on the veranda railing looking expectantly at me with its head cocked to one side. I thought we would never see the parrot again. The writer, he was thinking, he thought we will never see our parrot, but it probably maybe he will miss our green chilies, because few days later he will miss the green chilies, maybe he will miss. Because a few days later, I found a bird sitting on the veranda railing, looking expectantly at me with its head cocked to one side. And after a few days later, the writer saw the parakeet who was sitting on the veranda, who was sitting in the railing. Railing means sometimes he was sitting veranda, sometimes it was sitting. It means here the parakeet was sitting in a fence. Railing means fence, and looking expectantly at me. The parakeet was looking at the writer, and with its head cocked to one side, and he was raising his head to speak something, to cock something, raising his head, and he was trying to speak toward the writer. Unselfishly, I gave the parrot half of my mango, and the writer gave the half of mango. He shared his half of mango to the parrot. While the bird was enjoying the mango, Aunt Ruby emerged from her room and with a cry of surprise called out, "Look, it is my parrot. It has come back. He must have missed me." And at that time, when the bird was eating mango slice, Aunt Ruby emerged. Emerged means she come out from her room and she was speaking with excitement. With a surprise, she cried. Cry means here she speak loudly and call out. She called, "Look, it's my bird. It's my parrot. It has come back. He must have missed me. He must miss me. That's why he come back." Next fellow. With a loud squawk, the parrot flew out of a reach and perching on the nearest rose bush, glared at her and shrieked in my aunt's familiar tone, "You are no beauty, can't talk, can't speak, can't dance." Aunt Ruby went to be read and dashed indoors. When Aunt Ruby saw the parakeet, and she was very excited to see him, at that time the parrot squawked, speak loudly. Squawk means here make a loud voice, make a loud noise. The parrot flew out. The parrot come near to her and sit on the perch means here sit on branch of roses, and he was speak with excitement. The parakeet was speaking very loudly to unfamiliar to her familiar tone, Aunt Ruby's familiar tone. What she speak to her? She speak, "You are no beauty, you can't dance, you can't speak, you can't sing." That's why the Aunt Ruby was red. Ruby red means she get angry. And dash means she hurriedly went into her room. But it wasn't the end of the affair. But it was not the end of their affair. The parrot became a frequent visitor to the garden and veranda, and whenever it saw Aunt Ruby, it called out, "You are no beauty, you are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." The parrot had learned to talk after all. At last he learned to speak, to talk. Means he was coming there always, and whenever he saw the Aunt Ruby, he repeated her tone, Aunt Ruby's tone, nasty comments. "You are no beauty, you can't sing, you can't dance, you can't speak." He often come to visit there the writer's home and speak the nasty comments. At last the parrot learned how to speak. Now I am going to read here new words. So all of you have to write these new words. We have completed, now I have completed here explanation of the lesson. So all of you have to write these new words. I am going to read here, all of you have to follow. Okay, speak with me. Mimic means imitate. Budgerier means here a bird who has deep yellow hair. Keen means interest. Keen means here interest. Coo means stop fondly. Next, dab means press lightly. Next word, consume means to eat. Next, nasty means unpleasant. Bad words, unpleasant comments. Deliberately means accidentally. Shrug, move up the shoulders. 3 times, give a warning. Protest means deny. Cock means raise to cock. Next, emerge, to come out. Preaching means sitting on a branch. Next, shake means scream with excitement. Dash, go in great hurry. Go hurrying into the house, anywhere. Okay. I hope you have understood the lesson. So all of you have to read this lesson many more times to understand better. Okay. So if you understood this lesson, subscribe my channel and